So it's time for math. We've been talking about rounding this week. So we're gonna do some rounding rocket ships together. So we're gonna round to the nearest 10. So let's take a look here. Our first rocket ship we have says the number 23. Is that gonna be closer to 30, to 40, 70, 20, or 90? So what I'm gonna do is on the back here, make a little key so it's a little bit easier for you guys to understand. So the numbers we have on here go, basically, we're gonna go from 10 to 100. So we're gonna count by tens real quick. So, not perfect, but this is what I've got. So I'm gonna write in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we've got our little line here. Now we have the number for our first one, which is 23. So I'm going to plot in between these as well. So I know that in between here it's going to be by fives. So 23 is going to be about here. So is that closer to 20 or is it closer to 30? If you said 20, you're right, which means we need to now find our rocket ship and draw a line to it. 23, I think I found mine. I'm gonna go down here through space and connect it to my 20. Let's take a look at the one underneath of it that says 55. Let's take a look and plot it on our chart here. So 55 I know is gonna be between 50 and 60. So I'll show you what I've got. So it's right in the middle. So I'm going to round up. So 55 is going to be closer to 60. Ta-da! So you connect your line just like so. Let's look at our next one. We have the number 31. You guys can see that. So I'm gonna plot it right here on our number line. So if you guys can see, I wrote my 31 right here. Is that gonna be closer to 30 or 40? If you said 30, you are correct. So we are gonna find our 30 on our sheet here and draw our line. And I'll show you mine. No worries. We're flying all through space here. So it looks like our next one is going to be 86. So I'm gonna write that on the sheet. 86. Ooh, that's going to be right up here. Is that gonna be closer to 80 or 90? That looks closer to 90 to me. So we need to find a 90 on here. Ooh, that's our sun. Just like this. Let's see what we have next. Next we have 84. So I'm gonna plot that on our little sheet here. 84. So 84, is that closer to 80 or 90? If you said 80, then you are correct. So let's see if we can find an 80 here. Ooh, all the way at the bottom. Flying low. All right, let's see. Our next one says 39. Let's plot that on our number line on the back. 39. 39 here. So that's going to be right before our 40, right? So right here. So is that closer to 30 or 40? You said 40. You already knew this one. You're right. So we're going to find 40. Looks like 40 is going to be Saturn on our little rocket ship page, and draw our line. So it's going to look like this. Our next one says 52. So 52 is going to be about right here on our number line. So is that closer to 50 or is it closer to 60? We're going to round down. That's closer to 50. Let's see here. Our last one says 65. So we're going to plot it. 65 is right in the middle, so you could go up or down, right? 65. What do we have left? Looks like for this instance, 60, we already took that one. So what we could do is we could just go ahead and round up to 70, right? So find your 70 and draw your little line. And you should look about like this. You guys did a great job. Thank you for joining me today. Rounding is fun.